Ready to scale your fashion business? Welcome to the Vyshlo Boutique Sign-Up tutorial. To begin, click on Boutique Sign-Up in the header. Enter your business mail or personal mobile number and click Continue. Review our standard marketplace terms. Once you have scrolled through the document, check the verification box and select Accept Terms to proceed. Enter the 4-digit security code sent to your device and click Verify OTP to authenticate your portal access. Welcome to your core vendor panel. Start by clicking Upload Photo to add an official store avatar or brand logo. Then, input your professional email address and full name to update your primary account details. From your initial dashboard, navigate to the sidebar menu on the left. Click on Dashboard, select User Flow, and then choose Create Shop to build your custom collection storefront. The shop wizard guides you through your operational parameters. Under General, verify your primary contact details, region details, and order settings as per your requirement and click on Update and Next. Next, under Language Data, add your public store description, payment policies, refund policies, and seller information fulfillment timelines to give shoppers absolute clarity and click on Update and Next. Provide your complete return address for inventory logistics. This address will be used for all product returns and inventory management. Next, configure your pickup address. This address will be shared with our integrated delivery partners, ensuring they know exactly where to collect your rented outfits for pickups and returns. Brand identity matters. Under the Media tab, upload a high-resolution banner following the preferred display dimensions alongside your primary brand logo emblem, then click Update and Next. To ensure absolute compliance across our network, complete the secure KYC step by uploading sharp copies of your identity, address, business registration, bank validation, and PAN documents. If you want to pull traffic from outside platforms, you can link your official business social channels here or simply click Skip and Next in the upper right. Now, let's make sure you get paid. Under Bank Details, click Add Bank Details and provide your legal account holder name and your electronic IFSC code. Click Verify to validate your branch instantly. Enter your complete account number and click Save. Finally, select the Shop Rental Agreement tab, upload your contract document in PDF format, and hit Submit. Magnificent! Your brand boutique is now registered on Vyshlo. Our back-end administration team will review your application within 24 to 48 hours to get your store fully active. Welcome back. In this video, now we'll walk you through how to add a new product to your boutique on the platform. To get started, navigate to the left sidebar menu and click on Products. This will open up your product dashboard. Click the Add Product button in the top right corner. First, type in a clear title of your item, then add a detailed product description below it. Next, select your collection, like women or traditional wear. Then, choose the product type, category, and the specific subcategory from the drop-down fields. Moving down, select the fabric material, set its availability to sale or rental, choose your visibility preference, and assign it to your default zone. In the Variant Details section, select the exact color and size of the item. Enter your available inventory quantity, and then set your retail sale price. Now, let's add your photos. Click on the image slots to upload high-quality files, showing your product from different angles, starting with the front and side views. Once your images upload successfully, scroll down and click Save Variant. Once your images upload successfully, scroll down and click Save Variant. After saving the variant, click Submit to list the product. Your new listing is now ready. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to easily manage and share your collections using Vyshlo groups. To get started, go to the vendor portal and head over to Manage Groups in your dashboard on the left side and click on Create New Group. Let's name this one Wedding Collection. Next, add a brief description so your community knows what it's all about. For this group, we'll write, all the wedding collections will be available here. Now, choose a cover photo that best represents your collection And set your privacy preference to public so everyone can view it. If you want your group to be private, you can save it as private and click Create Group. Perfect! Now that our group is created, let's add some products. Go to the Products tab on your left menu to see your active listings. Find the product you want to feature. Click the 3 dots under Actions and select Post. Choose your newly created wedding collection group and hit Submit. And you're all set. If you head back to Manage Groups and click View Feed, you can see your product beautifully displayed and ready for your customers to experience with Vyshlo's group feature.